Let's do it. Hey friends, thanks for joining. Today we are making fish. Yep, we're gonna make Monica Geller. No, Courteney Cox, aka Monica Geller, roasted halibut with tomatoes. So if you're sick of hamburgers and hot dogs this summer season already, you have an alternative. Courteney Cox says that she does not like fish, but she likes this one, so this could be you. It might be worth trying. And we're already off to a bad start because neither Kat nor I got halibut.
We have a lot of cherry tomatoes that we already cut in half. We're gonna put it right into our baking dish. Okay, so to that we're gonna add in some garlic, and then we're gonna do one sliced, what is this called?
Shallots?
Shallots.
Shallots.
1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar.
I'm already behind.
We just started.
I know.
Okay, so right over.
Me got's the larger shallot, so I'm gonna use the whole thing. She also
Okay,
said
got
one
it.
large container of tomatoes, but
Yeah.
look how
I did
big
a-
my container is though. I don't think we need all this.
I did like half because I like
All right,
tomatoes, but I don't love tomatoes. Yeah.
Okay, 1 tablespoon of, see how am I gonna spread this evenly? 1 tablespoon.
First, you gotta measure. You're not even measuring. Okay, so she said like 1 tablespoon of honey. I'm gonna do some agave instead. I think it's the same idea. It's just for that little sweetness. So
You know
1
what else I love,
tablespoon.
other than garlic, is honey.
Olive oil, just a little, but we do put it on the fish too.
We need salt and pepper.
She doesn't have salt and pepper. She salt and peppers her fish. But okay, here's Gina and I. We are not gonna make flavorless food, so we're going to do salt and pepper every layer. Aina says every layer. Every layer.
No matter whose recipe we make, Ina Gardner's always with us in one way or another.
Okay, in the oven, 400 degrees for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to put our fish on after. Next, we're gonna prep our fish with olive oil, salt, and black pepper.
All right, let's get our tomatoes.
Okay, so now we're gonna put our fish right on top.
We added on top? Oh, I thought I was being so clever too because I thought, oh, you need 2 pans. I used tin foil where I was gonna transfer it, like switch.
Back in the oven for 12, she said 10 to 12 minutes. So if your fish is a little thicker, I go the full 12. All right, part 3. So the fish and the tomatoes are in the oven. While that cooks, we're going to do the aioli. So she says it's not a requirement. We're gonna make it because she did. I want to see, like, does it make a difference? Maybe. I'm just gonna do a 1/4 cup because I don't imagine that I'm gonna slather my fish with this aioli. I mean, I could be sad, but I'm gonna trust my gut.
You could always make more. Mayo, the zest and juice of 1 lemon, minced garlic, salt and pepper, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. I'm aware that the ratio, that there's a lot of lemon. I want that zing for my fish. Zing, I like it.
We're gonna put our fish on the plate, and then we're gonna add in all the chopped basil and some chopped mint.
Oh, I didn't do the mint because I knew it was just for garnish, so I didn't want to spend the extra money.
God,
for
stop
garnish.
listening to Gina. Okay, and then a little lemon zest.
This is good. This is really, really good. I like it without the aioli. It's more cleaner if you don't put the mayo on it. So I think if you just did the lemon zest and lemon juice over the fish with the basil, I think it'll be really good. With the aioli, it's a knockout, I think. It's really good. I like the lemon and the tomatoes and the basil and all of it. 1/4 cup of mayo, like you said, suggested. It worked out for me too.
This would be perfect if you had some grilled or steamed asparagus or some green beans. Yummo. I wished I used my entire container of tomatoes because the tomatoes are so good and I only used half. I would like more tomatoes.
Yep.
So do what she said. She said use a whole large container of tomatoes, and she is right.
Yeah, don't chintz on the tomato. I want a tomato in every single bite. Good point. Agreed.
Well, you guys, another quick recipe from Miss Courteney Cox / Monica Geller. Make sure you hit the button and subscribe button and every button that we have so that you don't miss the next video, and we will see you guys again next week. Oh my God, there's more olive oil in here?